Here we have a 2018 18-plate Mercedes-Benz C350E AMG Line Premium Plus. Now with this vehicle you do get 4 superb, unscratched, unmarked 19-inch alloy wheels. Now we do have the night pack styling, so we do have the black front splitter. We have the black Panoramic style front grille, LED headlights, the panoramic sunroof which is currently closed as it is raining, your black wing mirrors, we also your privacy glass on the rear with the black window trim. We also have that rear boot spoiler, rear does make this car stand out from the rest. Black tip exhaust flush to the rear bumper and also the rear diffuser. Now we do get front and rear parking sensors with a rear reversing camera and visual display. Now this vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches, and rear does look superb from every angle. Let's go to the rear, I'll show you bits of the interior. As you can see, we do have full red leather seats throughout. It's a very nice addition to have. As fixed points, pull down armrest just in the centre, and storage behind the passenger and the driver's seat. You have your leather red and black trim, brushed metal trim, ambient lighting underneath, integrated premium Burmester sound system which does sound absolutely incredible, and your electric windows in the back. There's a look at the driver's front seat. Very, very comfortable seat indeed. Now both driver and passenger are fully heated, electric and memory, integrated premium Burmester, brushed metal trim, ambient lighting, electric windows, electric power folding mirrors just there as well. Keyless start, touch of a button, auto lights, and multifunction steering wheel with paddle shift if we stick the car into manual mode. You also have cruise control there as well. Now as you can see, this vehicle has done just over 30,000 miles. And it's free from any wall lights on the dashboard, 30,490 to be precise. In the centre screen you can see satellite navigation, you also have Bluetooth medium, Bluetooth audio connectivity, DAB radio, rear reversing camera, different drive modes as well. Gloss back trim all in the centre, and that's what you use to control what happens on the screen. You also have dual zone climate control there as well. Now this vehicle is yet to have a full clean. Now once it does, we'll do a full walk around video going through all different specifications that do come with this vehicle. Now it is available to take away today with free contactless nationwide next day delivery. It's HBI clear, comes with fresh service, new MOT, and we do have a competitive delivery finance. Thank you very much for watching.